Hi guys, I'm Cassie. Today I'm going to be showing you some footage of a house flipping extreme makeover tour that I did up in Wine Country, California. This process took me about 2 years. We were really hoping it was going to take us about 3 to 5 months, but as the project continued to kind of show itself, we realized there were so many different things that we didn't necessarily account for at the first time and realized we needed to check those boxes off once we got there. So we ended up starting with the acre of land with a swimming pool and 2,500 square feet, which you will see. And we ended up having to take everything down to the studs, starting from scratch with the landscape, except we did keep the mature trees, which were beautiful, but everything had been, overgrown. It was not maintained. So we really put in some fresh landscaping. We definitely kept the beautiful oak trees and some of the natural elements that were really selling points to the property. We also really tried to add in the charm and the elegance through the landscaping design with like the rose trees. Those are like so beautiful. And the rocking chairs and nice features that really add warmth to the home, which was something that it was lacking before we did the renovation.
This is the back of the house. We did these concrete squares with the pea gravel in between. And then we opened up the pea gravel area for like a table or fire pit. We have these really cute windows, which I love. You can see our cupolas and the dormers.
We also renovated the swimming pool. It's disgusting what it was, and now it's so stunning. We had to redo the entire thing. It was probably not touched or, maintained for at least 40 years. And then we did tackle the 2,500 square foot home. This project we thought was gonna be a lot more that we could keep and more salvageable, but it actually ended up being like the more we got into the walls, we realized the more we had to take down. So we ended up having to bring it down to the studs and kind of start over. So we did do a white modern farmhouse that was simple and beautiful and elegant, and that was something that would be appealing for all buyers. We didn't want to pin ourselves into a box when doing a house flipping project because we wanted to appeal to all of the buyers. We did do some fun elements like doing a double island. We did do a lock or no range, which we love. Both of those were so exciting to put in the kitchen because there's such beautiful pieces and they're great design elements. Having 2 islands is so nice for entertaining instead of having a 14-foot island, which is what we originally started with. I figured who's gonna wanna walk around a 14-foot island all the time? If you have 2, you get the best of both worlds.
On the islands, we did do the barn X on either side, which you can see, which is a pretty detail. We also did these really fun wicker lights. I love the different sizings and it really helps to elevate the room, as well as we did high-pitched windows on both sides to really give you a view from every part of the room. We also did this giant slider here. You can see the lounge chairs are in the way right now, but giant slider to really get that view of all the lush oak trees. Then we paneled everything, so all appliances, as you can see, like the dishwasher paneled, refrigerator paneled, and then we did this lock or no range, which is definitely a nice staple to the kitchen, really grounds it, with this custom hood. And we continued the wood just to bring it up on the subway to get some warmth. We did the beautiful farmhouse sink, which you can see has the cute detail of the cold and hot, and the restoration hardware lights. So these are brass, which kind of pull in the brass from our range. And then we paneled this ginormous refrigerator, and then also created this walk through so you can come from outside and go straight into the fridge when hosting, which is really perfect. And then we did some fun stuff, like in this cabinet, we did really pretty pull-outs, which kind of give you nice space for storage. They soft light in, which is great. And then we also did do, for those of you who love a KitchenAid mixer. This is the kitchen lift for a mixer. It's amazing. If you don't have one, I recommend it. You pull it out towards you, it comes up to counter height, and you put your mixer on it, bake, plug in right there, push it back, and voila.
So we tried to add some elements that would be great selling features for potential buyers.
Welcome to the master bathroom. In here we did some clear hardware, just really beautiful. And we did mount all of our faucets in the house, which is a great detail. And we did mount the lighting on top of the mirror, which also is pretty fun. This is a crosswater bathtub. Highly recommend it. Super, super beautiful. Has beautiful lines. And then as well as the master shower, we did 2 different heads, as you can see, and then also one on the side. And take you in here. All this was beautifully done. Very simple and modern, but gorgeous. Since I showed you guys the bathroom, I'll take you into the master bedroom. This is where the bathroom is, which you guys saw. Beautiful barn doors. So we did do a barn door. You can see the hardware. We did a barn door into the custom master closet, which has a ton of space for shoes, nice hooks for scarves, and we did do custom soft close drawers, great beautiful dividers, and really, really elegant space for someone. Again, more space for shoes, accessories, all the good stuff. Now in here is the master bedroom. It's kind of PC because we have the dressers and the nightstands that were left from staging. But we chose this Lulu and Georgia light. It's really fun, really brightens up the space. And then we also chose these, which were a little bit more masculine, which are these fun light bulbs, and they hang, they're pretty amazing. To go on either side, kind of above the nightstands, add that warmth. And then we obviously put that there so you could put your TV straight on and looking out to your pool.
So I hope this house tour gives you, a fun journey to watch, and I hope it gives you a little inspiration for maybe a project that you're working on yourself. If you have any questions or comments, feel free after the video to go ahead and drop them below or hit subscribe. This is my first YouTube video, so I hope that I will get a few subscribers. So anyways, I hope this finds you well, and I hope you enjoy watching the footage and the tour.